Could you tell me more about how you get this done?
First I draw the story out, write the story, draw the story out. Then when it's all finished, send it off to a printing company and figure out how many copies I need. But the first thing I do is have a story. So once you have a story, that's the start.
And he developed his own character.
Yeah, develop your own character. Because I hear you like write stories with other characters. Which character do you use?
Mostly stuff for Pokemon,
Okay,
Digimon.
okay, all right.
Well, they're mostly for movie posters, and sometimes I borrow some of my friends' comics.
Okay.
Something called Monster Quest.
All right.
I borrowed a tamer's name called Bola Kyokade. Her personality came from a head injury.
Okay.
However, after that second head injury, it brought her back to her senses, and she became corrupted.
Uh-huh.
And basically, she's now on a quest to start her life over in a place where monsters don't exist.
Okay. Is that your own story?
Yeah,
That sounds pretty cool, actually.
I made it just for him.
That sounds really cool.
Yeah, Bola made 2 returns in Crossover Times 3 and the Tournament of Infinity.
Okay.
Just 2 shows that I came up with.
All right. Well, sounds like you have the whole idea ready. Like
You just gotta.
you just got
draw your own
That actually
characters.
sounds like a really cool idea.
I just gotta finish the movie poster for it.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
awesome. Sounds like a good story.
Can I get your number?
Absolutely. Go ahead and write your name down, write your email, and I'll get you on the mailing list. That's great. And you can grab a card too if you want that has my information on it.
It's funny
Done.
how a lot
Awesome.
of businesses developed out of COVID.
Yeah, and the joke was always forever like, oh, you're gonna put that in your comic when you finally make it. I was like, you know what? They're right. Like I've been saying this for years. So I just finally decided to do it. I did want like a small like full page comic.
There we go.
It was kind of I didn't know what I was doing at the time.
Yeah.
And I got it back and I'm like, that doesn't really look like I thought I wanted it to look. It was possible. I gave it away for free. From that experience, I learned so much that it's actually good to be able to look at something and go, I'm happy with the way this came out. Like, there's still room for growth, but I'm happy with it. Yeah. Like the first one I looked at, it was a couple pages. I'm like, ooh, I don't really like this. With this book, I look at, I'm like, all right, I know.
My buddy Tyler Needham,
Look at my early
he's like a god when it comes to art.
I believe it. Yeah, I believe it. It's probably.
90 Day.
He even came up with a transformation called God Mode.
Yeah.
Let's see. Its body is covered in steel. And there's like a red fiery aura, kind of like Kaioken. Basically, God Mode's one of the best. But I have transformations on my own that made the show a bit more interesting, like Omni Beast and Beast Instinct.
Interesting.
Well, you know the Giant Game's coming on soon, Pat.
Right. You better run. Signing off.